Welcome to Quick English Practice.
Hi, I'm Mark.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Are you American?
No, I'm Canadian.
What do you do?
I'm a lawyer.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
What time do you start your work?
I start my work at 9 o'clock.
How long have you been there?
I have been there for 2 years.
Who do you live with?
I live with my sister.
How old is your sister?
She is 25 years old.
Where does your sister work?
She works in a clinic.
What is your marital status?
I'm married.
Do you have kids?
No, I don't have kids.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
Where were you born?
I was born in the United States.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on June 20th.
Can you help me?
Yeah, sure.
Where did you find this?
I found this in mall.
What is your address?
My address is 123 Los Angeles.
What is your nationality?
I'm an American.
Where are you going?
I'm going home.
How was your day?
It was perfect.
How is the weather outside?
It's sunny and warm.
What time do you finish your work?
I finish my work at 7 o'clock.
Where do you study?
I study in university.
What do you study?
I am doing business.
Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm okay, thanks.
How much money do you have?
I have $100.
Are you learning English?
Yeah, I'm learning English.
Why are you learning English?
Because it's important for communication.
Why are you standing here?
Because I'm waiting for someone.
May I sit here?
Yeah, sure.
Is there anybody?
No, there is nobody.
Is the mall open now?
No, the mall is closed now.
When will you come there?
I will come there next week.
Do you like running?
Yeah, I like running.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Where are you going?
I'm going to meet my friend.
Who is your friend?
Lily is my friend.
Does she work with you?
Yeah, she works with me.
Is she okay?
No, she is sick.
What happened to her?
She has fever.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yeah, I use a smartphone.
Which phone do you have?
I have an iPhone.
Do you help poor people?
Yeah, I help poor people.
How do you help them?
I give them clothes and food.
Do you like traveling?
Yeah, I like traveling.
Where have you traveled to?
Switzerland and Paris.
Which country is your favorite to travel?
Switzerland is amazing.
Have you ever been on a plane?
Yeah, many times.
Do you like to go to beach?
I prefer mountains.
Where do you want to go next?
I want to go to New York.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
She looks good.
Thanks.
Who are they?
They are my parents.
Do you like long drive?
Yeah, I love to go on long drive.
Do you travel alone?
No, I travel with my family.
Can I see this?
Yeah, sure.
Do you work on computer?
Yeah, I work on computer.
What happened?
My phone is not working.
Can I fix it?
Yeah, thank you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Did you call me?
Yeah, I need your help.
How can I help you?
I'm lost.
Can I drop you to your home?
Thanks for your help.
What do you want?
I want some water.
Is this expensive?
No, it's cheap.
Which place is this?
This is a small town.
What do you like?
I like reading books.
Can I sit here?
Yeah, sure.
Do you like winter?
No, I like sunny days.
Can I take your phone number?
Yeah, sure.
How can I contact you?
You can text me.
How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling much better.
Where are you right now?
I'm at work.
Why are you upset?
I lost my phone.
Who is he with you?
He is my colleague.
What is his name?
His name is Jack.
How old is he?
He is 30 years old.
Since when have you two been together?
We have been together for 2 years.
Do you like him?
Yeah, he is a nice person.
Do you like your job?
Yeah, I love my work.
Do you live in a city?
No, I live in a small town.
Do you have a big house?
No, I have a small house.
Can you drive?
Yeah, I can drive.
Can you swim?
Yeah, I can swim.
Do you like hiking?
Yeah, I love hiking.
Can you cook?
Yeah, I can cook.
What is your favorite food?
Sushi is my favorite.
Will you go to the party tonight?
No, I'm a little bit busy tonight.
How do I look?
You look great.
What did you eat in lunch?
I ate pizza.
When did you go to the store?
I went to the store yesterday.
How old is your father?
My father is 50 years old.
How many languages can you speak?
I speak French and English.
Did you hear me?
Sorry, repeat again.
Lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you too.
Would you like to go to the beach with me?
Sorry, I'm busy.
Can I borrow your pen?
Yeah, sure.
Do you like to take photos?
Yeah, I like photography.
How do you take photos?
I take photos by my phone.
What time is it?
It is 3 p.m.
What day is today?
Today is Sunday.
Have you finished your work?
Yes, I have finished my work.
Who is your teacher?
Mr. John is my teacher.
Which subject does he teach you?
He teaches English.
Do you like him?
Yes, I like him.
Why do you like him?
Because he is a nice and kind person.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have siblings.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 siblings.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
What color is your car?
My car is white color.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Are you okay?
I have an headache.
Did you take the medicine?
Yeah, I took the medicine.
You should relax.
Yeah, thanks.
What is this?
This is a store.
Why are you going to the store?
I'm going for shopping.
Did you hear about that?
No, I didn't hear about that.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the news.
What happened to your leg?
I had an accident.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can do salsa dance.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yeah, I'm waiting for my friend.
What is your email address?
My email address is xyz@gmail.com.
Can you pass this to me?
Yeah, sure.
Is this a big school?
Yeah, this is a big school.
Do you go for a morning walk daily?
Yeah, I go daily.
Do you like riding?
Yes, I like riding.
What do you think about that?
I think it's good.
What time do you leave for your work?
I leave for my work at 7 o'clock.
How far is your house?
My house is 2 kilometers far away from here.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not feeling like eating.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat a burger.
Can you read this?
Yeah, I can read this.
Is it raining outside?
No, it's cloudy outside.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
Is this your luggage?
No, it's not mine.
Do you have a passport?
Yeah, I have a passport.
Is this a good idea?
Yeah, this is a good idea.
Do you do online shopping?
Yeah, I do online shopping.
When did you came here?
I came here before 5 minutes.
Why are you crying?
I missed my bus.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Can you sing a song?
Yeah, I can sing a song.
What do you need?
I need some money.
Do you take vitamins daily?
Yeah, I take vitamins daily.
May I use your phone?
Yeah, sure.
When is your vacation?
My vacation is from next week.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 9 o'clock.
Did you enjoy the party?
Yeah, I enjoyed the party very much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Take care.